Welcome to this Solid Edge Tips and Tricks video, working with the variable table. Solid Edge provides the unique and powerful facility of parametric modeling using both ordered and synchronous modeling techniques. Whether you build and edit models from sketches in the ordered mode or use direct PMI dimension to drive a synchronous model, Solid Edge silently gathers all key dimensions and parameters so that you can manipulate the model later with ease. The variable table sports a familiar spreadsheet layout and can be used to define and edit functional relationships between the variables and dimensions of a design. Dimensions highlight as you move the cursor over its row in the variable table, and you can easily edit a linear or diameter dimension. Not just dimensions, but variables that define the number of elements in a pattern can be accessed and modified as well, saving you the hassle of editing the pattern feature in the model. Simply pick a cell and key in the new value. The change is reflected in the model in real time without the need for an explicit update. Solid Edge allows renaming variables as well. This facilitates building functional relationships between the variables. Simply pick a variable and type the new name. Solid Edge provides built-in facilities for creating rules that govern how the model behaves. For example, if you want to limit the value of the width to stay between 42 and 50, you can easily specify this in the rule editor. Solid Edge remembers the rule and does not allow modification of the width outside this range. Another commonly used rule that can be easily built in is the discrete values rule. When the design allows only a specific number of holes in a pattern, you can easily set this using the rule editor. When you edit the pattern count next time, Solid Edge provides a convenient list of allowed values to pick from. This way you can create a robust model with built-in intelligence. The real power of the variable table lies in the use of elaborate user-defined formulas and library functions. For this design, we require the depth of the cut to be always 20 less than the width. Using the formula field and picking variable cells, you can easily build this formula in no time using the familiar workflow of your favorite spreadsheet. Solid Edge comes with an assortment of arithmetic and trigonometric functions too, and if these are not enough, the variable table can read in custom routines written in Visual Basic that can harness the full power of a programming language to calculate values using virtually unlimited lines of code. But there's more. Using the variable table, you can link values from an Excel spreadsheet to your model dimensions. Copying from Excel and pasting links into the variable table does the trick. The live links update the model in real time, making the spreadsheet an integral part of the model. Finally, variables can be exposed for downstream use like drawings. Clicking on Expose for a variable in its column makes it visible outside the confines of the part it is defined in. You can then use exposed variable in the drawing as part of a call-out text to convey the design intent, or even inside the title block. Exposed variables remain linked to the model and feature they originated from, and keep the drawing updated whenever the design changes. The variable table thus enables you to create and control robust and intelligent models with the ease and power of a spreadsheet interface built right into Solid Edge.